everyone. Hope you people are doing great. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss comprehension number 6, which is on your English workbook grade 3, page number 82. Well, the topic of our comprehension is a closer look at Mars. Everybody, do you know what Mars is? Well, we are going to discuss that in this comprehension. It is all about planet Mars. Now, let's continue. Alright everyone, the word Mars, it is one of our 9 planets, right? Well, if you look up at the sky on a clear night, you may see a red dot among the stars. That red dot is called Mars. What is that red dot, everybody? Yes, Mars. So if you're going to look up at the clear sky, not in the cities because of the pollution, air pollution, you can't see it, but in the countryside where there is clear air, you can clearly see a red dot, which is planet Mars. Now, the word Mars, where does it come from? Let's see. The planet Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Where did we get the name planet Mars? Yes, the word Mars was used from a Roman god of war. How did the planet Mars get its name? Yes, it got its name after the Roman god of war. Now, let's continue with the next one. Well, although no one has ever visited this red planet, what is this red planet? Mars, yes, but we know a lot about it. How do we know it? When we have never visited the planet? Yes, through satellites. Well, everybody, Mars is more like Earth than any other planet in our solar system. Well, Earth is the 3rd planet and Mars is 4th one. So, they are closely related to each other. Now, do you know Mars has also a 24-hour day? How many hours are there in one day on planet Mars? 24 hours. Isn't it a similarity like Earth? Right? So, it has also rocky crust. It does have canyons, volcanoes, polar ice caps and seasons as well. The seasons might not be as the available season on planet Earth, but it does have seasons. So Mars and Earth have many similarities. So wherever there are similarities, there are differences as well, right? So some of the differences are Mars is half as big as Earth. So Mars is smaller than Earth. What is the second difference? Mars has less gravity. Of course, it is far from Sun, right? So it has less gravitational pull. It has a very little atmosphere as well. Well, everybody, the surface of Mars has no lakes. It does not have any ocean or plants or animals. And no place on Earth gets as cold as Mars. It means Mars is much colder than the planet Earth. And the lack of life on the surface of Mars is because of its extreme weather. And of course, no drop of life is there, no water drop is there, right? So that's the key point of these comprehensions, that whenever we are reading these comprehensions, we need to make sure that we are listening to the comprehension text very carefully so that we can get to know the answers at the end. Now, the topic of the comprehension was a closer look at Mars. It is your comprehension number 6. Your first question says, write the names of the 9 planets in our solar system. Well, of course, I know some of you are going to say there are no 9 planets, it's 8. Yeah, I get that, but it's available on your workbook, right? So Pluto is kind of rude. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't. Some scientists say that it is part of solar system, and most of them are saying no, it's not. Actually, it's so far that we are unable to figure it out whether it's there or not, right? So let's stick with the given picture available on your workbook, page 82, according to which there are 9 planets. So the names of 9 planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Mr. Pluto, right? Okay, so I have given the names exactly the way these are located in our solar system. It's in proper order, alright? So let's move on to second question, which is, how did the planet Mars get its name? Well, we have discussed it. It is after a name of someone. Remember, the planet Mars was named after the Roman god of war. Your third question says, C question says, what things does the surface of Mars have? Well, the surface of Mars has same as the surface of Earth has, a 24-hour day, a rocky crust, canyons, volcanoes, and polar ice caps. One more important thing, seasons, don't forget that. Alright, your D question. Write any 2 differences between Earth and Mars. Well, the 2 differences between Earth and Mars are, Earth is bigger than Mars and Mars is colder than Earth. Yes, it does, right? So why does the planet Mars lack life? At the end we discussed it. Yes, because of its extreme weather. The planet Mars lacks life because of its extreme weather. Well, in question D, I have written 2 differences because it was mentioned in the question. But you can go for as many as you like, or you can change these differences other than mine, which I have given, right? So we have discussed 6 differences. So the Earth is bigger than Mars. Mars is colder than Earth. Mars has little atmosphere compared to Earth. Surface of Mars lacks life, but Earth cherishes it, right? So Earth has lakes, oceans, etc., but Mars does not. Mars has less gravity compared to Earth. So these are the 6 differences, but I have written 2 in your answer because it was mentioned in the question, right? So that's all for today's class. Hope you enjoyed the reading comprehension. Don't forget to follow and make sure that you are not just writing the answer from the comprehension answer sheet, alright? Go through the comprehension first, and so that you will be able to understand how to solve the comprehension. Alright? Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.